Start with this question. Good morning. Start with this question. In this, the question is asking for only realization account. Read the question and start making realization account. Question is Ramesh Umesh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of their capitals. Capitals ratio means ratio is 7 is to 3. 7 is to 3. 7 lakh, 3 lakh is the capital. So the ratio is 7 is to 3. We are given with creditors, workman compensation reserve, general reserve. General reserve is never distributed. General reserve is never distributed. We have discussed it in, I think, first or second class. We are given with assets, bank will also not transfer to realization. Umesh current account, it is related to capital. On the above date, the firm was dissolved. Ramesh took over 50% of stock at 10,000 less than the book value. Means stock value is 1,30,000. Half is 65,000. 10,000 less means 55,000. The remaining stock was sold at a loss of 15,000. Debtors were realized at a discount of 5%. Furniture was taken over by Umesh for 50,000 and machinery was sold for 4,50,000. Creditors were paid in full. If this is not written, assume if this is not written, the creditors were paid in full. We will assume that liabilities are always paid in full. We will assume that liabilities are always paid in full. There was an unrecorded bill for repairs for 1,60,000 which was settled at 1,40,000. Unrecorded liability, unrecorded expense which we have paid. So what we will do, realization account. The first thing which we have to do is transferring all assets and liabilities. Assets डेबिट बैलेंस क्रेडिट करेंगे, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट क्या होगा, डेबिट होगा टू डेटर्स टू स्टॉक टू डेटर्स टू स्टॉक टू फर्नीचर to machinery. ₹2,40,000, 1,30,000, 2 lakh and 9,30,000. Okay, now liabilities. General workman compensation reserve, no liability is given against reserve, so it will also not be transferred to the realization account, but it will be transferred to capital account. General reserve and workman compensation reserve. So here we will write by creditors 1,70,000. Now first thing, Ramesh took over 50% of stock at 10,000 less. By Ramesh capital account. कैपिटल अकाउंट लिखेंगे हम, या फिर अपने ये कर सकते हैं करंट अकाउंट लिख लो आप इसको, या फिर हम यहाँ क्या करते हैं, सारा कुछ पहले करंट अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर लेते हैं, देन करंट अकाउंट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट. अमाउंट इज 55,000. 65,000 minus 10,000. Now next is by we do all bank entries by bank account. Stock was sold at a loss of 15,000. Stock मैं अंदर लिख रहा हूँ, मैंने मेन क्या लिखा है, बैंक अकाउंट, अंदर लिख रहा हूँ स्टॉक 50,000. Furniture was taken over by Umesh, so we will do it in another entry. Machinery was sold for 4,50,000. Machinery 4,50,000. और कोई एंट्री नहीं अपने पास. 5 lakh by Umesh current account. He has taken over the furniture for rupees 50,000. To बैंक जो पेमेंट की अब क्रेडिटर्स पेड इन फुल है 1,70,000. अनरिकॉर्डेड बिल सेटल मतलब पेड. Settled here means paid because we are dissolving the firm. So settled means paid. No liability is there. Another 3,10,000. स्टॉक भी हो गया, मशीनरी भी हो गई, फर्नीचर भी हो गया, बट डेटर्स रह गए अपने जो मैंने गलती से ऊपर नहीं लिखे. सो आई विल डू अनदर एंट्री बाय बैंक. स्पेसिफाई कर देता हूँ किसके कौन से पैसे हैं, ये डेटर्स के पैसे हैं. 5% लेस मिला है मुझे, 5% डिस्काउंट. 2,40,000, 5% is 12,000. 2,28,000. 2,28,000. प्लीज डू दी टोटल. डेबिट साइड ही बड़ा बनेगा तो लॉस है. बाय लॉस ट्रांसफर्ड रमेश उमेश करंट अकाउंट 2,40,000, 1,30,000, 3,70,000, 3,70,000 into 5,70,000, 6,00,000, 15,00,000, 18,00,000, 10,000. 18,00,000, 10,000. Losses 1,70,000 plus 55, 225, 725, 775, 8,03,000, 10,03,000, 8,07,000 is your loss. Distribute in 7:3 ratio. So amount will be, please tell me the amount. Please tell me the amount. आप इसको रेशो में कन्वर्ट कर दो तो then the answer will be 2,42,100 and 5,64,900. This is your answer for the question. Now next question in this question See what is the difference. Read the question, and you have, I think you all have read the question. What we have been asked here is journal entries for the dissolution of firm, journal entries of dissolution of firm. So journal entries includes all entries relating to realization. First, we have to transfer all assets and liabilities. So transfer the all assets and liabilities. The entries will be realization, realization account debit to machinery account to land and building account to debtors. Amount is 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 2 lakh 22,000, 9 lakh 22,000 being assets transferred to realization. Okay. And next is we have to transfer our liabilities. We have to transfer our liabilities. Then what we will do is creditors account debit, EPF employees provident fund account debit. It is not in reserve. Fund is not in reserve. We have done it in like fourth and fifth chapter. Employee provident fund is a liability which is related to employees, and the employer has to pay to the government to realization. To realization account being liabilities transferred 179.21 2 lakh. Now the next is we have realized some amounts. So the entry is bank account debit to realization. आप एक रफ मार्जिन बना सकते हो चाहो तो, जैसे लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग का 4,30,000 प्लस डेटर्स 2,25,000 प्लस 1,000 जो पिछले साल रिटर्न ऑफ कर दिया था हमने, बट पिछले साल अगर हमने राइट ऑफ कर दिया था, बट नाउ वी हैव रिकवर्ड सम अमाउंट दैट इज 1,000. There was an unrecorded investment which was sold. We don't know any investment, but हमने उसके पैसे रिकवर कर लिए. Mitchell took over machinery at 2,80,000 for cash. उसने कैश पे कर दिया हमें, तो इसकी एक अलग से एंट्री कर देंगे. But this cash will be deposited in the bank because cash at bank है, so we will do it in bank only. 2,80,000. Here cash means bank. Okay. So the amount is 4,30,000 plus 225, 6,55,000, 6,56,000, 6,91,000, 6,91,000, 7,71,000. I think the total amount is 9,71,000. 9,71,000. Okay. Next is we have paid the amounts. 50% of the creditors were paid 4,000 less in full settlement, and the remaining creditors were paid in full amount. Means क्या हुआ? 1,79,000 का अगर half करूं, if you do half, then the amount is I think 80, 90. 89,500, I think. 89,500 minus 4,000, 85,500. 85,500 plus 89,500 means 4,000 less पे किया हमने बस. Then the amount is realization account debit to bank. 1,75,000 plus 21. कुछ नहीं लिखा EPF के बारे में, तो हम what we assume that we have paid in full. The amount is 1,96,000. 1,96,000. What is the profit or loss? What is the profit or loss? Realization account debit. Realization account debit. Realization account debit. कितनी अमाउंट से हुआ ये? डेबिट कितनी अमाउंट से रियलाइजेशन? अगर मैं यहाँ पे रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट बनाऊं तो डेबिट साइड में 9,22,000. ये रफ है. दिस इज माय रफ वर्क. Working note, you can make working note also of realization account. 1,96,000 and credit side is 9,71,000 and 2 lakh. The amount is 11,71,000 and here is 10, 11 lakh 18,000. 11,18,000. Profit is 53,000 and the ratio is 3:5. So जनरल एंट्रीज का फॉर्मेट कभी मत भूलना. आई एम डूइंग सिंपलिंग but you have to do in general entries always. So the profit is 53,000. Profit is 9,61,000. Total is 9,61,000. 4,30,000 plus 6,55,000, 56. 61, 71, 81, 91. I think 9,71,000 is the total. It is the total will be 9,61,000 or 9,71,000. Please tell everyone. Total, what will the total will be? $9,61,000. My total is wrong. 9,61,000. 9,61,000. 11,61,000. Profit will be 43,000. Then my answer will be also wrong. The profit is 43,000. Realization to bank 1,96,000 कैसे? Debtors are paid 1 lakh. Creditors are paid 1,75,000 plus EPF 21,000. This is why 1,96,000. Creditors are paid 1,75,000. 4,000 less pay किया था हमने and 21,000 is this. So The answer is realization account debit to Achal's capital to Vichal's capital account. 43,000 को कौन सी रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 3-5 43,000 को 3-5 के रेशियो में करें तो कितनी अमाउंट आएगी 43,000 in 3-5 ratio. Amount will be 16,125 and 26,875. Another journal entries will be payment to partners. Last entry will be payment to partners, which we will do in next class. Okay, everyone.